Does it seem like nothing makes sense anymore, including how we exercise? If you've been stretching, sweating, doing core, and you still feel pain, and you still have slouched posture, and you still feel anxiety. Well, I've been working on methods for years that create upright posture and beautiful alignment without sweating, without suffering, and using common sense. And common sense means let's return to the way we used to move before we got stuffed in chairs. So one of the things is stop exercising on 2 feet, because we are designed to move. And movement happens by standing on one foot, swinging through, and then standing on another foot. And what happens as you stand on one foot is you turn on your core torso muscles. When you stand on 2 feet, you're going to sag down. You're going to put pressure on your nerves in your spine, your organs, and you're also going to wear out your springs. Because did you know that your foot and your knee and your spine are loaded springs? And they have necessary tension in them that keep them strung in a way that gives you shock absorption when you're moving, as well as storing elastic energy. So trying to stretch your way out of pain is not using common sense. Because what we're designed to do is not stretch. We're designed to pandiculate. That's right, folks. Pandiculation is what we're supposed to do, and that's what we happen naturally. Even a tiny little baby in a crib will go, yawn, and kind of turn the voluntary muscles on. That's natural. But what's not natural is, okay, folks, let's put our foot up here on the bench and then lean over and pull on our muscles. Because guess what? You can't pull on your muscles and make them change length, because your nervous system, your brain, your spinal cord controls tension in your muscles. So you have to know the password to get into that whole system and change the global tension in your whole body all at once. And that's what my exercises are designed to do. I don't even like to call them exercises. They're more like playful movements. But it's all designed around breathing. Breathing actually reverberates through your whole body if you're in natural alignment, but most people aren't. Their head's forward on their spine. Their pelvis is tilted under. They've done a bunch of exercises that make their core real tight. They've done things like breathe into your belly. But you know what? There's no breathing apparatus here. This is all intestines. Your breathing apparatus is in your ribs and on your sides. So you have to be able to use your ribs, or they're going to atrophy the muscles and you're going to fall forward. So many exercises just really don't make any sense at all, because they're based on the idea that your body is made of parts, and it absolutely is not made of parts. I'm standing on one foot because guess what? We're bipeds. We're designed to stand upright, walk on one foot at a time, and that's how we should be exercising. We should not be doing things that take us out of our natural biped, pendiculating human body. I'm Michelle Edwards. I'm here to help you get some common sense and get great posture in 2024, because when your cranium, your mid-back, and your sacrum are all aligned along a vertical axis, life is really good here. You don't feel old, you feel playful, you feel agile, and you can remember jokes. When you have poor posture, you can't remember jokes. I'm going to leave you with one. Why did the chicken go to a seance? To get to the other side. If you want to get to the other side of pain, follow me. I'm Michelle Edwards, and I've got the no-nonsense, common sense techniques to help you get aligned quickly, easily, no suffering. You don't have to suffer to feel good. How's that? Aloha.